B syndrome, joint pain and palpitation. Number 3, continuation. Female, age 41. So, conclusion, according to the 8th principle, combination of channel collateral and anterior pattern called in combination of excess and deficiency. According to theology, invasion by pathogenic cold. According to channel and collaterals, obstruction and constriction of the channels by pathogenic cold, severe painful obstruction. According to organ theory, heart injury, heart painful obstruction. Treatment principle, so expel the pathogenic cold and remove the obstruction from the channels to alleviate pain, tonify the heart chi, and calm the spirit. Selection points, pericardium 4, large intestine 4, governing vessel 14, governing vessel 9, bladder 13, bladder 15, and bladder 36. Small stomach 36. Explanation of points. Pericardium 4 is effective in calming the spirit. It is the accumulating point of the pericardium channel and can move obstruction from the chest. Explanation of points. Pericardium 4 is effective in calming the spirit. It is the accumulating points of the pericardium channel and can remove obstruction from the chest, specifically when there is severe chest pain, palpitation, and stifling sensation. Locally, it also treats elbows and wrist pain, as it is situated near the midpoint of the forearm and effectively removes obstruction from the channels. Large intestine 4 is good for expelling pathogenic wind and relieving exterior patterns. It removes obstruction from the channel and eases pain, especially in the hands. Use a needle at least 2 units in length, threading in the direction of pericardium 8. Warm needle technique with moxa is used to expel the pathogenic cold. Governing vessel 14 is a meeting point of all the young channels and is used mainly to remove obstruction from the governing vessel. Since the patient has pain in the spine, it therefore functions to remove obstruction, treat local pain, and also strengthen the anti-pathogenic factor by drawing on the energy from all the young channels. The method of manipulation should accordingly be balanced to achieve the dual goals of dispersing and tonifying. Governing vessel 9. On the governing vessel, remove the stifling sensation from the chest and regulate the chest. It is below thoracic 7 and has a strong local effect in alleviating pain in the spine and strengthening the heart chi. Bladder 13 tonifies the lung chi and promotes the lung function of descending and dispersing, hence arresting asthma. Bladder 15 treats symptoms involving the heart, calm the spirit, and harmonize the nutritive and protective chi. Bladder 13 and bladder 15 are both used because the problem is mainly in the upper burner. They remove the painful obstruction of the heart caused by cold. and also help regulate water metabolism in the upper burner, thus reducing the edema. Stomach 36 strengthen the antipathogenic factors and remove obstruction from the channel and the lower limbs to alleviate pain. Follow-up. The patient was treated on alternate days. After 4 treatments, the stiffening sensation in the chest and shortness of breath were much improved. The palpitation occurred only occasionally. The pain in the spine was almost completely relieved, and there was no edema. The patient was sleeping well. The pain in the small joints of the hand was slightly less severe. The patient received 3 further treatment, after which she was symptoms-free. In view of her chronic history, she was advised to use a moxa stick above the joints and also at stomach 36 every day for 3 months. She was also prescribed the Chinese herb formula. Inferior of Heaven's special pill to tonify the heart to help restore her general energy. At the end of this time, she had no palpitation or edema and her general energy was good. She had only fleeting pain in the joints, which did not interfere with her daily life, and she was happy to continue with moxa at home for an additional 3 months. After this time, her condition remained satisfactory. Thank you for your listening.